I know many of you are tired of the daily grind and are looking for new opportunities to boost your income. Well, you're in the right place because today we're going to explore some unconventional side hustles that have the potential to change your life. Hey there, hustlers! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom in 2024? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the top 10 side hustles that nobody is talking about. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on making money. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Now let's set the stage. In today's fast-paced world, traditional 9-to-5 jobs just don't cut it anymore. That's where side hustles come in. They're the key to unlocking financial independence and living life on your own terms. Drone photography. With the rise of social media and online marketing, businesses are constantly in need of high-quality aerial footage. If you have a drone and a knack for photography, this could be your ticket to earning big bucks on the side. But how do you get started? What equipment do you need? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Drop your questions in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. But wait, there's more. Stick around because we've got some truly unique side hustles coming your way that are sure to pique your interest. Before we continue, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying our content. And if you have any side hustle success stories, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. While virtual assistants are common, specializing in a particular niche like legal, finance, or healthcare can unlock a higher-paying clientele and position you as an expert. Some companies label data for AI training, and you can do this from home by categorizing images, text, or audio. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Labelbox offer these tasks. Grant writing, nonprofits and academic institutions often need help securing funding through grants. If you have research or writing skills, this could be a valuable service. If you're bilingual or multilingual, you can tutor people online using platforms like Italki or Verbaling. There's a high demand for language learning, especially for in-demand languages like Mandarin or Spanish. Register catchy domain names that you think have potential value and then sell them to businesses or individuals who want them. If you have a 3D printer, you can offer printing services to people who need custom-designed parts or prototypes. This can be a good option if you live in an area with a lot of makers and businesses. Businesses and individuals increasingly need help managing their online reputation. You can offer services to monitor their online presence, respond to negative reviews, and improve their overall online image. But how do you get started? What equipment do you need? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Drop your questions in the comments below and let's start a conversation. In summary, side hustles are the key to unlocking financial freedom and living life on your own terms. From drone photography to virtual tutoring, there are endless opportunities out there waiting for you to seize them. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start hustling. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money in 2024. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and remember, the hustle never stops. Be sure to check out our other videos for even more inspiration and guidance on your journey to success.